Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome back to my knot channel. In this video, we're going to make the Solomon V-Bar Paracord Bracelet. This is a simple but great looking variation of the classic Cobra weave that adds a unique zigzag accent pattern. For this project, I'm going to join two 5-foot lengths of paracord for my main cord. To make this project, you'll need about 10 feet of paracord for your main cord and around 3.5 to 4 feet for your second color as your accent. Let's start with the 2-strand core setup ready to go. I'm saving some time on this video by not going over this step, but you can view my video that shows how to do it. And I have many other paracord bracelet tutorials that I show this step. With our 2-strand core setup ready to go, I'm going to begin by taking my accent cord and feed one end through the left girth hitch. I'm going to find the center by passing the strand evenly with one strand on each side of the center cords. From here, the Solomon V-Bar pattern begins. It's very similar to the Cobra weave, with just one key difference. Begin by taking the right cord and pass it over the center core strands. Then bring the left cord over the right, behind the core, and up through the loop on the right side. Before tightening, pass your accent cord through the right loop and then cinch everything up. Now, repeat the Cobra knot on the other side. Take the left cord, bring it over the core strands, then take the right cord over the left, behind the core, and up through the loop. Again, feed your other accent cord through the left loop. And then the other accent cord goes behind the core strands and up through the loop on the left side. Now, we'll continue the pattern with the right side. As you continue weaving, make sure the same accent strand stays on top each time. This keeps your zigzag pattern looking clean and consistent all the way down. Repeat this alternating Cobra pattern until you reach the desired length of your bracelet. When you reach the end, finish your final knot close to the buckle and tighten everything up. To finish, trim the cord ends close to the weave and melt them carefully with a lighter. Use the edge of your scissors or the lighter or a knotting tool to flatten the melted ends for a smooth finish. And that's it. Your Solomon V-Bar Paracord Bracelet is complete. It's a clean, eye-catching variation that adds a bit of flair to the classic Cobra design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.